Hi, today I'll show you Hyundai Porter frozen truck. This is 2018 model. Have no accident. Tire is still brand new. Also, no rust. Chassis number spare tires also good. No rust. Today is so hot. I'll show you engine. No lavacas. Also no lavacas. Frozen. Set. Until -40. Frozen is working good. Very cold. So nice, huh? Today is so hot. Wow. Frozen is now 35. Let's see the temperature. 35 feet, 25.3, 25.2. And air condition already. Very cold. If any problem with air condition or frozen, we can warrant this, so you don't have to worry about the air condition and frozen. Some rear camera. Here also. Rear camera and dash cam. Let's check our test drive. Very nice, huh? Actually, we bought this car from other city. I already test drive around 100 kilometers, but this is perfect. I just clean up only. Second gear, third gear, anyway, speed bump, first gear, second gear, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Nice, huh? Shifting good also. Engine condition and transmission is really nice. You don't have to worry about the condition. This is perfect. Okay. See? Working good. Oh, window. Working good. Yes, temperature is still going down. Okay, this is so nice, huh? Best Buy. Okay, thank you for watching video. Thank you.